fire?
Had a call from someone passing by this morning of a reported house on fire. When we arrived, we found heavy flames coming out of the back. A lot of fire damage throughout this house. We had fire on the first floor and second floor. The house is under renovation, so fortunately we didn't have anybody inside. And so, but we did make a quick knockdown on it. It did take some extra units to get to the second floor and knock down that as well. But significant damage. Still under investigation. Don't have a cause yet. Yeah, the snow is a big impact for us, especially with the street conditions, driving conditions. It's really tough to get around. So, getting units here, of course, is going to be slower. If traffic gets congested, it's tougher for us to get here as well. So, yeah, the snow does have an impact and it does slow things down quite a bit.